You ready?
What in the world is that?
Do you know who that's from? Huh? Grandma Nancy.
Thank you, Grandma Nancy. Alright.
Close your eyes.
7. Yes!
What is it, bud?
This is just what I wanted. A Lego set.
Woohoo!
Do you know what it is?
What?
Look, it's a bakery.
Can you open it?
Oh, well, you have some more presents.
Who's that from, Emma?
Thank you, Grandma Nancy.
You ready? Here's another one. Close your eyes.
Another one.
This is for giving dog baths and brushing them. It even comes with the dolls.
Yes.
What do you tell Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma Nancy.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
This one's for Mommy and Daddy. Got your eyes closed?
Mm-hmm. A gumball machine.
Oh, that one got a hug.
Daddy one.
Woohoo!
Thank you.
You like it, buddy?
I love it.
Can we put it in my room?
We can put it in my room.
In your room? Oh, okay.
Buddy. And do you know what this is? What is it? What is it?
A target.
What do you think you need a target for?
For me to go shooting with Daddy.
What are you going to shoot?
A bow and arrow.
But you don't have a bow and arrow.
I'm gonna get one.
How do you know?
Good.
Huh.
Practice.
That's what you're going to do?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm gonna play with these.
Oh, you have one more present to open.
You need to open up this last one.
It's really, really big.
Kinda big.
Come open it.
Whoa, look at that thing.
Look, it even has pink.
Yes. I'm gonna put it in my Legos.
Oh, bow and arrow. No big deal. Legos.
Big deal.
Yeah. Emma, look at the camera. Tell Grandma thank you.
Thank you for